Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf today announced the counties that would move to the green phase of reopening next Friday. Not on the list, southeastern parts of the state that covers Philadelphia and the surrounding counties. So this area will stay in the yellow phase for at least another 2 weeks. That in spite of a continued reduction in cases of COVID-19. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here now with more. Stephanie.
Well, Jessica, while there has been new outbreaks in other parts of the country, we've been making progress here in the tri-state region. Health experts say moving forward will depend on continued precautionary measures, wearing masks and social distancing. Governor Murphy says New Jersey has been doing a good job.
Our transmission rate has dropped to among the lowest in the United States.
Governor Murphy with some bragging rights for New Jersey. But in 19 other states, there's been a sudden increase of COVID-19.
Unfortunately, they've backed off the kinds of precautions that people have been recommending.
Dr. John Zerlo is the head of infectious diseases at Jefferson Hospital.
The fact that a lot of these states are in the south where it's warmer, you don't think is impacting this trend?
I don't think we have any real evidence that that's the case.
Nationwide, there's been an overall decline of COVID-19. The surges are happening in places like Florida, where the beaches have been packed.
Rush to reopen without taking time to put protocols in place or even waiting for the wave to subside. The foolhardiness of their actions is now being seen.
One model is projecting almost 170,000 deaths nationwide by October 1st.
The virus is going to do what the virus is going to do. I'd love to say we have full control of it, but we have to be cognizant this has not gone away.
Governor Murphy showed a map indicating New Jersey is ahead of the curve.
This tells us that we're better prepared at this time to move forward than many, frankly most, of our peers.
To avoid a surge, health officials say it's important that restrictions put in place early are lifted slowly.
I think we're doing things the right way. Is it enough to open up the economy? That remains to be seen. That's a challenge, but I think we have to do it gradually.
And Dr. Zerlo says wearing a mask in public is the most important thing you can do to guard against COVID-19. Also, if you socialize, outside is the safest place. Jessica?
All right, Stephanie, thank you.